Hey everybody, Mr. Christensen here, and I'm going to be going over parts 4 and 5 of the TRIP project. I want to apologize ahead of time. I'm at home. My dog barks a lot, so he may be barking in the background or above me, even over me. I don't know, but we'll make our way through. So there he goes. Um, why isn't this working? I don't know. Anyway, I've already made the video on the first 3 parts, so if you have any questions about those and I'm not available, you're more than welcome to take a look at that. Now, part 4, where we start to bring all of this together, right? So let's say my vehicle cost is, let's say I'm going to use the Prius was what I picked before, right? Oh, I know the problem here. Y equals 79.95 x plus, and let's just say I'm going to spend $120 on gas. All right. So that's that. So my vehicle cost will go right here. Y equals 79.95 x plus 120. My food and lodging cost will go here. We're going to say 220 x plus, and luggage, I don't remember, but let's just say I'm taking a backpack, so it's 65. And then the combined of these, I'm going to just add, right, 220 to 79.95. Okay. That should give me 299.95. Excuse me. So 299.95 x plus 120 plus 65, so 185. So the two together. So as I work on this, then what you're supposed to do here is fill in these spots with information that I'm asking you for. So let's do that. All right. I got to open up my calculator on my phone. There it is. Now, remember that the x stands for days, right? X is the number of days. Now over here, this is weeks on the left side. So we need to change that to days, right? So 7, 14, 21, 28. All right. So I'm changing to days. And now I'm going to pop in these. So 79.95 times 7 plus 120. And that equals 679.65. And then this other side, 220 times 7, plus 65 equals 1605. All right. And combined, we should get these two together. So I'm going to add on 679.65. And I'm going to get 2284.65. All right. I'm going to write that down here because I want to see, make sure this works. So 299.95 times 7 plus 185. 2284.65 is what I get. All right. So that's how you do each of these individual parts. Huh. I don't know why this won't. Okay, I'm back, and I just took a minute to go ahead and finish filling this table out instead of making you watch me do it. I want you to notice something here, and that is that right, this over here is not going to work, right? Because the most I've got here is $8,563.60, and I need it to be at least 10. So what I'm going to do is go down here below this part, and I'm going to try to work out the differences here, right? So again, 79.95x plus 120, 220x plus 65, and 299.95x plus 185. All right. So now forget that this is week. All right. I'm going to extend it, and we're going to make this days over here. And so, I don't think it's going to take much to get it up there. So let's just take it out to 31 days. See what we get. 31. All right. So 31 times, I'm just going to do the overall. 299.95 equals plus 185 equals. Okay. That doesn't do it either, unfortunately. That gets us to 81.90. It's not going to work. So I'm glad that happened, because now you can see I need to make some adjustments somewhere to spend a little more money. And I can go back and evaluate where that's going to be. I'm inclined to say I'm going to change my car, right? Because I'm at $79.95 per day for that. And maybe not. Maybe I'll stay in a better hotel, right? So instead of $220 a day, let's say I'm going to spend $250. All right. So let's go back here. And I'm going to mark this down here. This is going to be 250x plus 65 instead. And so my new combined numbers, this is 329.95 x plus 185. Okay, so let's see if that works. 329.95 times, I'm going to say 31 still. Oh yeah, that's going to get us in. It's going to get us in. Maybe 30. 30. Well, we want to go for the longest we can and still be in budget. So 31 times 329.95 plus, okay, let's try it again. 31 times 5 equals plus 185 equals. All right. So my new equation, 329.95 x plus 185. All right. And that is going to give me $10,413.45. So 31 days. All right. Now, don't forget now that we have changed this is our new lodging and food expense column number. So don't forget that when it comes time to graph. It might be that no length of the trip would work. If that is the case, adjust your equations by choosing different values for hotels, cars, food, and then go through and total all the equations again. Additionally, if you had to change any of your equations, explain your changes below. Okay. Did not reach 10,000